Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with another Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I went to Walmart today and did a few rebates because I have not completed my sled bonus. I have to do 12 rebates in order to complete that. So I wanted to get that out the way before Christmas because I need my other bonus to kick in, okay? Okay, lovely people, the first rebate I decided to do was on the Huggies. This is the little snugglers. This is an 84 count of the newborn size. I decided to get these because I have two new grandbabies. They're twins, Cherish and Chosen. Okay, that is Charity's siblings. All right, they were priced $24.27. For the diapers, I used a $2 coupon out of the 12.6 Smart Source. That dropped my cost in store to $22.27. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $20.27 for the diapers. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Snuggle Super Care. My all rebates are gone. So I guess I've exhausted those. So this one is probably next. It was $3.97 in my Walmart. I did use that $1 coupon out of the 12.13 Retail Me Not. So I had to pay $2.97 in store. There is a $2.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 47 cents for the Snuggle. That's a great deal. Now, there is also any brand dryer sheets that was 10-cent rebate that attached to this as well. So that 10-cent rebate did count towards my sled bonus as a separate rebate. So that was awesome. Okay. Next thing I decided to get was the Quaker Instant Oatmeal. Okay. This is microwavable oatmeal. It was priced 98 cents in my store. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay 98 cents in store. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 73 cents for the oatmeal. And there is also a any brand instant oatmeal 10-cent rebate that attached as well, that counted towards my count. Yes. Come through, rebates. The next rebate I did was on the Quaker Medley. Got this item again. Y'all know I got it before because my husband likes to take these to work and eat them for breakfast. So these were a little more. This one is priced $1.48. No coupon did I have, so I had to pay $1.48 in my store. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 96 cents for the oatmeal. Not too bad, not too bad. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Toffee. I think I'm saying it right. Okay. It was priced $2.18 in my store. This is a 12-piece. I did not have a coupon for this, so I paid $2.18 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.18 for the Toffee. Am I saying it right? Next rebate I did, guys, was my Renews It. Yes, I'm just going to exhaust this. I'm swimming in Renews It, okay? $2.74 in my Walmart. There is a $1 coupon in that 12.13 Retail Me Not that I used. My cost that I paid in store was $1.74. $1 Ibotta rebate coming back. Final cost 74 cents for the 3-pack of Renews It. Next rebate that I did was the 2 Renews It, the single counts. There is a BOGO rebate for these. So these are 97 cents each. A total for the 2 is $1.94. So I paid $1.94 in store. Got back 97 cents for the Ibotta rebate. Final cost 97 cents for the Renews It. Next rebate I did was on these, the Oreo Thins, the bites, the ones that taste like the Girl Scout cookies. They taste like Girl Scout cookies to me. Taste like Thin Mints, okay? They're priced $2.56 in my Walmart. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate attaching to this, making the final cost be $1.56. Yeah, I was hoping they were going to attach to these. These are small. They're about this big around, and they're covered in chocolate, but they just remind me of Girl Scout cookies. I like these things. Next rebate I did was on the Trident Gum. The BOGO is still resetting for me for the Trident Gum. They're priced $1.12 in my store. You must buy 2 for a cost of $2.24. You're going to get back $1.12, making the final cost be $1.12 for 2 packs of Trident Gum. And you notice I keep getting the green. I ain't getting no other kind. I don't know. I just like the green. This is the 2 that I just purchased, okay? Got a stack of Tridents, okay? Everybody's breath gonna be smelling good. Nobody's breath's gonna be stinking around here. The next rebate I did, guys, was on the Nivea Lotion. The Nivea was priced $5.48 in my Walmart. There is a $2 coupon that I used. And I do believe I got it from coupons.com or I got it from the Nivea website. Guys, I'm sorry, I can't recall. But I got a $2 coupon that I used for this, okay? I paid $3.48 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.48, okay? Good deal. Now, the last rebate I had was a any item rebate, which was 10 cents, okay? Again, it's counting towards that sled bonus, so yes, let's do it, okay? As I said, I only needed to do 12 rebates, but in actuality, I had 13 rebates, okay? Which was great because the 12 rebates allowed me to get my $3 for the sled bonus, and that extra rebate counted towards my next bonus, yes, which is great. So I'm well on my way to complete my bonuses. I will do the next one tomorrow so I can just get it done because you know I got to get it done before Christmas, okay? Let's go over the numbers. My total was a little high because of the fact I got the Huggies, okay? But I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that. The total of everything was $47.84, guys. I had $6 in coupons, which dropped my cost down to $41.84. So $41.84. Now, what I got back in rebates was $12.64 in actual rebates. And now here is my bonuses. I got a $1 bonus back from the Huggies Little Movers and Little Snugglers bonus because I had purchased some Huggies before. So that and me purchasing this allowed me to get that $1 bonus, which was great. I got the $3 for completing the sled bonus, and I got a $1 bonus for completing my December level 2, okay? I'm a little behind in the month. I'm only on level 2, like tripping. I need to get it together, okay? That was a total of $17.64 coming back for a final cost of $24.20, guys. So really, all my stuff was free except the diapers. Yeah, really. Because remember, my Huggies were $24.27. My final cost was $24.20. So it's like everything else was free and I really paid for my diapers. Good deal. That's a good deal to me. Because, see, I was going to buy the diapers anyway, guys. And I was like, you know what? I might as well do the diapers. I'm going to buy the diapers anyway. So I might as well just get the diapers. Let it count towards my rebates. Yes. Okay? Always remember, guys, get what you need first. Okay? Yes, we want to be a good deal, but we must get what we need, or what's the point? Okay? That is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below of the video, which bonus are you on, guys? Are you moving slow like me? That's all right, because I'm going to do the other one tomorrow, and then I'll be through. I have another video for for you guys. All right, that is it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.